Good morning class 6. As you all know that in previous chapter we have learned about early human 1. Children, do you know that whole life of early human have been divided into two parts? Early human 1 and early human 2. Early human 1, this period when early man did not lead a settled life as they had no home and had no knowledge of agriculture. And today we will learn about early human 2. In this period, early man led on settled life as they had home and had knowledge of agriculture. This process started about 10,000 years ago. Many new developments during this time brought about great change in the course of life of early man. First, rise of agriculture. We know that early man led a very hard life. The most important discovery was that he could grow plant and grain. This was in fact the beginning of agriculture. The rise of agriculture started about 11,000 years ago. It might have arisen from seed thrown away carelessly and sprouted. Sprouted means began to grow. In course of time, this made them realize the link between the seed and plants. The first cereals the early man produced were wheat, rice and barley. He started cultivating more crops. In this way, early man changed food from the food gatherer to a food producer. Agriculture changed the life of early man. Now their life was settled. They stayed in one place and grew crops. They built houses with mud and clay near the field. They cultivated the fields, hunted animals and made tools and weapons. Beside agriculture, they also continued to hunt animals and gather food even after they started cultivating crops. Second, domestication of animals. The early humans started the domesticate animal, which means that they learned to live with animals and to use them for their daily life. They kept the animal on farm land and every animal would give them a good. They domesticated animals such as dog, sheep, pig, goat, cow, camels, horses, etc. Animal helped him many ways. Goat and cattle provide him with milk, sheep provide wool, and horses and donkeys were tamed to carry burden. Animals were also a source of meat. Third, invention of wheel. The wheel was invented. Heavy object had been moved first by dragging them and then by using roller under them. The wheel was merely a derivation of that. The invention of wheel was another achievement of Neolithic man. It brought about revolutionary change in his life. The invention of wheel made life easier. People could now go from one place to another much faster than before. They could also move heavy objects more easily. The wheel also improved pottery making. The potter's wheel come to be used during this period. Beside it was also used to spin cotton and wool to weave clothes. Humans make pottery. Early man need containers and vessels to store surplus food, grain, liquid and other things. Human learned to make clay pottery, which was shaped and hand and then baked in a fire. The potter's wheel enabled them to make pot in different shape and size in much lesser time. Pit house. A pit house is a large house in a ground used for shelter. These pits were usually narrow at the top and wide at the bottom. Stone tools were used to dig circular pit into the ground and the sides were plastered with mud. Ovens made of stone or clay were discovered in some of the pits. These ovens might have been used to cook food. Evidence of cooking such as ash, charcoal and pieces of pottery have been found in these pits. Clothes. The early man wore clothes made of animal skin during the cold weather. Cloth made from grass and bark of tree. He would hunt for animal to create clothes from animal skin. Tools. Tools made of stone, bone and horns of animal. Stone tools found in maximum number such as axes, scrapers, borers, etc. Most of them were polished. The bone tools found in a site include harpoons for fishing, needle for sewing, and overhead, spearhead, and daggers for hunting. Burial. Burial is the act of placing a dead person along with animal and articles of personal use in the grave after death in the belief that there is life after death. During excavation, remains of both humans and animals have been found in Barzaholm. These include bone of dog, cattle, goat, sheep, deer and many other animals. Painting and drawing found in several caves in many parts of the world speak of the artistic skill of the early man. A slab with a hunting scene carved on it has been found at Barzaholm. It showed two hunters, one carrying a long spear and other with a bow and arrow hunting a deer. Daily life and trade. Early man lived in small group. Each group had its own leader. Generally, the eldest or the strongest member of the group was made its leader. Tasks were divided and assigned to each person according to his capacity. When some looked after animal while other cultivated the field, and still some other were engaged in making pots and tools. Trade. The barter system and trade come into existence during this period. People began to exchange their surplus goods with other groups. The popular modes of entertainment during this period were singing, dancing and painting. Case study. To northwest, Mehergarh, now in Pakistan, is situated in a fertile plain near the Bolan Pass, one of the most important routes into Iran. It is the earliest known farming of pastoral settlement in the Indian subcontinent. The earliest evidence of settlement here dates back to 7000 BC. While excavation the site of, archaeologists have found evidence of many kinds of animal. Bone include deer, pig, sheep, goat and cattle. Among the other discoveries made in Mehergarh are the remains of houses. The houses were simple and made of mud. The shape of the houses was either square or rectangular. The northeast. Many sites bearing evidence of settlement have been found in the northeastern state. Places like Salbagiri, Mismagiri and Rongram Alagiri in the Garo Hills. A big and thin stone axe dating back to this period has been found in Mizoram. Darjali Heading is an important Neolithic site of the hills near the Brahmaputra Valley, Assam. Stone tools and ceramic and kitchen items such as mortars and pestles, corn grinders, etc. Other finds include jadeite, a stone that might have been procured from China, potteries and tools made of fossil fuel. Children, if you like this video, don't forget to share and like it. Thank you.